In this lesson, we're going to do a word problem, and the word problem contains fractions. So if we have a problem like this one that says, Natasha started off with 5/8 of a jug of juice. She poured 2/8 of juice for herself and for Sienna. How much juice was left in the jug? So to do this problem, the first step is to write the word problem into a sentence, and you need to figure out what it says, right? Figure out what needs to be done. Since we start off with a certain quantity and we give some away, we know that this is a subtraction problem, right? We start off with 5/8, we get rid of 2/8, so what's left? To figure out how much juice is left, we subtract. So here's a subtraction. 5/8 minus 2/8. So now we notice that the denominators are the same. This means we subtract the numerators and leave the denominator unchanged. So that means you just do 5 minus 2, which equals 3, and then you put the denominator. So what's left is 3/8 of a jug of juice. So Natasha had 3/8 of a jug of juice left. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. Make sure to check those out. As well, you could download the ebook. And in the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. So please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. I'd greatly appreciate it.